Hi guys, welcome to Mastering Mathematical Literacy with me, Bunono. So in today's video, we're going to look at specifically on taxation. This question paper is derived from Free State question paper, June 2024. So without wasting time, let's get into the question. So it's question for June, Free State 2024. Strictly taxation. Okay, so the statement says Mr. Matthews is a 65-year-old employee who earns a basic salary of 40,165 per month, right? He contributes 7.5 of his basic salary towards the pension fund and pays a medical aid for himself and his 3 children, right? So question 1, the first question, which is normally the easiest question on taxation, says write down the abbreviation of SARS in full. These are normally 2 marks easiest question on taxation. So the abbreviation of SARS is South African Revenue Service. South African Revenue Services, free 2 marks. And then 4.1.2 says, show how the tax threshold of 148,217 was calculated. So you go to the tax threshold column, and then you see that on the age of 65 to 75 years old, there's a tax threshold that you need to earn 148,217 minimum amount in order for you to pay tax. So this question says show how that value was calculated, right? So in order for you to know how that value was calculated, you must know first which rebates does this person qualifies for. So this person is 65 years old, so he qualifies for 2 rebates, primary and secondary rebate, right? So you write those rebates. So the primary rebate is 17,235, and then you add them with the secondary rebate because he qualifies for 2 rebates. So, and then after you get that, you add these rebates, primary and secondary, you get 26,217, right? And then this person on the tax rate table, he qualifies on tax bracket number 1, right? So you divide this value by 18%. You divide this value by 18% in order for you to find the tax threshold, how this tax threshold was calculated. So divide by 0.18, and then you're going to get 148,216,666. But the question says show how the tax threshold of value of 148,217 was calculated, not 216 was calculated. So this is the answer that we got, so which proves that this question was rounded up. So our final answer will be 148,217. So we've proved the statement.